Hi everyone, 128 gigabytes, 10,800 hours of recording time. You've got this wonderful digital voice recorder. Here's the box that it comes in. It comes with this nice long headset, Type-C charging port to hook it to the recorder. Here's another look at the headset. It also comes with this adapter cable that allows you to connect it to your phone or to your computer. It has a Type-C port for this end, and the other end is either Type-C or this part comes off, it's USB. That's really quite handy. This digital voice recorder or sound recorder has an AI adaptive noise reduction feature, which is really quite nice. The recorder itself is basically just this wonderful, beautiful little magnet that will magnetize, stick to certain metals, which is really nice and convenient. So here we have the digital voice recorder. Just opening up the box right here. Again, another look at the actual recorder itself, and bang, it sticks because it's a magnet. The magnetic part is very convenient and very handy. Another closer look at it. Right here is the charging port that I talked about, the Type-C charging port. Next to the port, which if they're indicating blue and red at the same time flashing, that means it's charging. If it's flashing red slowly, that means it needs to be charged. Power button from the off feature to the on feature. So before you plug it into your computer or to your phone, you want to make sure that it's turned off. Plug it in and then switch it on. Both either your phone or your computer should be able to read it. I have the digital voice recorder via USB cable. The computer, once the digital voice recorder was hooked up, was able to easily identify the device, USB disk, and within USB disk there was a folder called record. So within record, there's a few audio files. Now the first two audio files, the recording was not planned. I was just figuring out the device. The last recording I did was planned, and here's how well it did in regards to picking up my voice only, considering the fact there was people in the background. Voice recorder, recording my voice. There's some people in the background, that's okay. Let's see how well this voice recorder performs. So I was very pleased with the result. If you're ever using this device and you need to stop recording, you simply turn it off. Overall, the digital voice recorder, it's a little bit involved in figuring it out. I also have not set the proper time and the date within the computer, but I'll get to that. The digital voice recorder is very handy. It's very useful. Once you do figure out how to use it, it's pretty easy. Okay, great. Thanks, everybody. Digital voice recorder. It's great.